Is PMS a regulated form of investments, or are there any unknown risks in PMS? Financial expert Mr. Srinivasavardhan will elaborate on this now.
These portfolio management services, though there is some guidance given in this SEBI guidance, all that is there, but still, when there is a customizing the portfolio with the individual's risk aptitude, how far this portfolio has been customized with this individual's risk aptitude, because most of the PMS investors are investing as an investor, but without knowing that PMS may not suit their risk aptitude. So there is a lot of clarities to bring about the portfolio and the risk aptitude, which is applied for which targeted group of people. Many investors, those holding some reasonable 30 to 50 lakhs portfolio, they believe that they are eligible to getting invested into PMS. The portfolio size alone will not going to be decided whether it is eligible to invest into the PMS. Our risk aptitude and the requirement, our customized periodical goals will decide either this PMS product suits for your requirement or not. So there are many regulations take into place to bring much clarity among these investors about these PMS products. So though there is some SEBI indications are given towards PMS product, we still say it is a partially regulated investments.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.